This is a message in a bottle.
Are we spending too much time in the air?
We humans are made up mostly of water. And yet we sink.
And to finally be able to bottom, we need you.
To navigate the worlds below.
A series of 6 documentaries where we will scour the fresh waters, the ocean, salty and bitter ones.
These elements that cover and fill up 2/3 of our Earth to the brim. To be completely honest with you, we were a bit afraid that this project would flop, but thanks to your support over the past few weeks, it has really taken off. And as a result, we ended up with some great footage that we had planned for this follow-up video, which isn't really a follow-up anymore. But now we're starting to dream about reaching, why not, the first milestone, or, let's be bold, maybe even the second one. And that way we could offer you not just 6, but maybe 7 or 8 episodes, who knows. Floating like astronauts moving underwater and kind of like in space.
We'll go meet the creatures that live and hide there, shining our lights on the forms of life in the deep sea that sometimes seem to come straight from another planet.
A blue world that still remains largely unexplored. How many mysteries hidden at the bottom of the oceans are still left to uncover?
How do organisms survive where sunlight can no longer reach?
What is the rapture of the deep? What happens to colors?
What do you feel when you are a diver?
So many questions to whet your appetite.
About what we could do if we weren't in a swimming pool.
Help us give a voice to this project.
To make it even more ambitious than it already is.
By visiting our Kiss Kiss Bank Bank page. Well, obviously, given the current situation, when will all this start? Honestly, we don't know exactly. But we will do it. The worlds below will end up falling through. And that's thanks to you.
And since diving underwater often requires silence,
it's important for us to be quiet now.
With that, we say glub.
Gloob, 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 gloob. To follow the underwater behind the scenes of the worlds below, go this way.